So there's the middle of nowhere. And then past that, well, you'll find the sign to the Double XL Steakhouse. From there, it's just 2 miles more down a dirt road. But eventually, you'll arrive at a quaint ranch house serving up the most in-demand and delicious steak in the Texas Panhandle. It's here where owner Charles Stevens cooks up his signature cowboy ribeyes on a 50-year-old oak-fired grill.
What you got going on back here?
I'm cooking your steaks, buddy. That's what I do, man. I cook steaks.
Right? I mean, you're a little bit of everything, I understand.
I cook steaks. I help people get sober. Tonight, we're cooking steaks.
Charles is larger than life and has a powerful testimony of how the Lord pulled him out of some very dark places. This restaurant is now his fiery pulpit of sorts, bringing steaky hope to us all.
You get a ribeye if you don't ask. If you ask, you can get pork.
All right.
And if you ask twice, you can get salmon.
Wow. And then what comes on the plate with it?
Everything. You get drink, salad, dessert, coffee, the works.
It's a one
All
price
for
sort of
50
deal.
bucks, yes.
Oh, man.
Simple does it. And simple works so well, this small dining room books up months in advance. Yet it's still only open on Friday and Saturday night.
Here's my signature appetizer.
Okay.
It's salmon with shrimp, and I added a little pork to it with my jalapeno apricot jelly on it.
They're going to serve that in heaven. I know it.
That's manna from heaven.
That's right. Oh, that is good. Well, if I eat all this, I'm not going to have any room for steak. Is that a bad thing?
I got to-go boxes.
Charles is a man of hospitality and healing who refused to let me eat alone. And so he's invited his staff and friends to join us.
There's not another place like this.
I've seen a lot of Texas. I've never been to a place like this.
Real quiet. It's like a hole in the wall.
People don't eat and leave. They sit and chat and visit. They're here.
Yeah.
It only takes one and they're hooked.
Is there a scale anywhere in your kitchen to tell me how big this ribeye is?
He really doesn't know what the food weighs. He just charges you by the weight you gain while you're here.
That's right.
This is hobby because this is way out of hand for me. I'm a country boy. I'm writing with pencil in a spiral notebook, okay? So y'all ease up on this country boy.
I get the feeling that they connected to you, not just on a food level, but something deeper.
Yeah, something deeper.
That's cool.
A spiritual level.
Absolutely. Y'all built something special, and I mean that.
To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.